XAI has just introduced a new memory feature for its conversational chatbot Grok, designed to make interactions more intelligent and fully personalized over time. With memory enabled, Grok can now remember details from your past conversations, such as your preferences and previous questions, to offer more relevant answers and suggestions. According to XAI, this update brings Grok in line with AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini, which already use memory to revisit your chat history and improve future interactions. The feature allowed users to continue conversations where they left off, enhancing long-term usability. The memory function is currently available in beta via the Grok website and its iOS and Android apps. However, it's not yet supported in the EU and UK, with XAI noting plans to bring it to Grok's integrated version on X, formerly Twitter, pretty soon. As with other AI tools that use memory, users cannot control what Grok remembers. However, telling Grok to forget something won't remove the conversation from your overall chat history. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind.